Happy Tuesday, everyone, and I'm going to do things a little bit differently today. I'm going to go over your workbook with you. This will be the colored one, so go grab your colored workbook and turn to page 95. That's 95. Pause the video so you have time to go grab that. All right, understand three-digit numbers. Here's our I can statement. I can write a three-digit number in different ways. Spark your learning. How can you show the number of crayon boxes in each case, and how many crayons does Mrs. Garver buy at the store? Well, let's read about Mrs. Garver. Mrs. Garver buys crayons at a store. There are 10 crayons in each box. There are 10 boxes of crayons in each case. Mrs. Garver buys 2 cases of crayons. How many crayons does Mrs. Garver buy? All right, so let's do like we did yesterday and start out with our base 10 stack of 10. Remember, that looks like this. Okay? Mine just has a cute face on it. So we know that she bought 2 cases. Each case has 10 boxes. So let's start off with our first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's our first case. Our next case will have 10 more of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can pause the video so you have time to get those all done. You can just draw a line for each 10 if you would like, if that's easier. All right, so let's see how many she bought. So we can either do it this way. We can say she bought 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Or we know there's 10 of our 10s here, so that's 100. And there's 10 of our 10s here, so that's 200. So the answer is 200 crayons. Go ahead and pause the video if you need more time. All right, let's turn to page 96. Build understanding. Mr. Osgood's class is selling flowers. They came in bunches of 10s. Maya sells 7 bunches and Travis sells 8 bunches. How many flowers do they sell? So what do we need to find? We need to find the total number of flowers Maya and Travis sell. All right, so let's use a concrete model and draw to solve. So our concrete model and drawing to solve is using those base 10 blocks. So you can just use a line for each of your 10. I'm going to use the base 10 blocks. So let's start with Maya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maya sold 7. Okay. Now let's move on to Travis. Travis sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He sold 8. So let's circle 10 of those to make 100. And that would be our 10 in our circle. Kind of an ugly circle, but maybe you can make a better circle. All right, so how many 10s do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 10s. How many hundreds do we have? Ooh, we have one circle. We circled our 100, so we have 100. And then let's see how many 10s we have left outside our circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 100, which is our circle in our circle, and then we have 5 10s left over. So another way to write that would be 150. Maya and Travis sell 150 flowers. Okay? Now let's turn to page 97. Pause the video if you need more time to get that finished. All right, 97. There are 17 boxes of markers. There are 10 markers in each box. How many markers are in all? So let's use a concrete model and draw to solve. So we're going to use our column of base 10 blocks. So we're going to have 10. We're going to draw 17 of these. So we'll start out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17 of those. Now circle around 10 of them. That's why I put the 10 at the top, so I could just circle them in the top. All right, so how many 10s do we have? We already counted them, but we can count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 17 10s. How many hundreds do we have? Well, we have one circle around our 10, which makes 100. So we have 100. How many 10s do we have left outside our circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 10s left, which makes 170. So there are 170 markers. All right, so check your understanding. There are 14 boxes of crackers. They already drew your base 10 blocks for you. There are 10 crackers in each box. How many crackers are there? So let's circle our 10s to make 100. So that's our 10s. So we have 5 here and 5 here. Okay? So how many 10s do we have? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 10s. How many hundreds do we have? Ooh, we have one circle, so we know we have 100. And how many are left outside our little circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 10s. All right, so that makes it 140. So we have 140 crackers. All right, hopefully that made sense and you watched both videos. Now go ahead and do page 98 all on your own. Good luck, have a great rest of your Tuesday, and I will see everybody tomorrow in class.